I'm up 5x on VChain. Want to swing it into audio, but I'm worried that I'm chasing. Not looking for financial advice, but how do I go about figuring out if this is a good decision on the charts? Thanks. So basically, we'll make this a bigger question. So how do you know whether you're chasing first?
Yeah, so I mean, with VChain in particular, we looked at VChain at the beginning of this live stream. VChain is in its top band. All right. So if I were to own VChain right now, I'd either be looking to take some profits or take some profits when it reaches the top green band that it's recently reached at 28 cents. Now, does that mean sell everything? Well, if you're up 5x and this is a coin that has a ton of momentum and is continuing to perform extremely well in a bull market, sometimes you just want to let your winners run. So maybe take some profits and then you can always move those profits into audio. Now, personally on audio, we reached $5. You could have had a chance to get in at about $1.50 or so on the dip, but it's still below its all-time high. And we've got that vesting that happened on April 23rd that everybody was worried about, the dilution event for audio. And that's around the time that audio actually bottomed out. We've got that behind us, as Bill mentioned earlier in the stream. So I would not be surprised if audio can get another rally or two in before its next dilution event 3 months from now. So I don't think that's the worst idea in the world. I don't think getting into audio right now, while it's still not even in the top 100 by market cap, is necessarily chasing, especially if you plan on holding it for the long term. But I also wouldn't necessarily dump all of a coin that's performed extremely well for me. Take some profits on it, definitely. Look for a solid exit around a key, trend line exit. But definitely, I don't think audio is chasing right now.
All right. And Bill, so the question is, how do you know when you're chasing the coin?
All right. Well, you know you're chasing a coin when you ask, "Am I chasing a coin?" The question is, what are you chasing? That's the question, right? Okay. So Forrest basically said what needs to be said about VChain. If you have a 5x, congratulations, pay yourself. And again, you don't have to take all the money out of VChain. As a matter of fact, I don't know that makes sense. The trend is your friend. But if all of a sudden you've got money to play with, if Audius started at 50 cents and went to $5 and it's now at 270, I don't think chasing constitutes buying at 270, right? Chasing was buying it at $5. Buying it at 270, even though it's starting to build upward momentum, there's a difference between chasing and buying a breakout. I think with audio, right, and all these other coins that we talked about, I mean, we did a report on Rarible. So cool that Forrest mentioned that. All these other coins, they're just now breaking out. So if you've got money from another trade and you like something else, we love you. We want you to watch the show. We want you to dial in, but you're smarter than you think. You've already answered your own question. Buying stuff that's washed out, that's turning around, like I noticed Liquidity just turned around as we were talking about it. It's a good idea. Do it. Not investment advice, but do it as in, take profits in stuff that's mooned to buy dips in higher quality projects.
All right. Thank you, Bill and Forrest.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.